What's up, guys? It is Chris here from the Junior Nup channel with nuppfx, and today I'm going to be showing you the time lapse on how I made this beautiful wooden ring. It's a bit different, it's a lot messier, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that thumbs up. There are a couple of links in the description below if you want to help out the channel. There's a Teespring for my merchandise, and there's also a link to my Etsy shop, and then also my Instagram page where I post things that don't make it on video as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.